Are you searching for natural ways to enhance your health and well-being? The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies might just be the solution you need. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into this incredible guide and see if it's worth your investment. With insights into over 800 plants and their uses, this book promises to unlock nature's secrets for you. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is a comprehensive guide authored by Dr. Nicole Appelian and Claude Davis. This book is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering detailed insights into the medicinal properties of both common and rare plants. It provides step-by-step instructions for creating natural remedies, making it an invaluable resource for anyone interested in herbal medicine. Whether you're looking for immune boosters, digestive aids, or pain relief, this book has something for everyone. Let's explore some of the key features that make this book stand out. First, it includes detailed plant profiles, allowing you to learn about the medicinal properties of a wide variety of plants. The book also offers easy-to-follow remedies, with step-by-step instructions for making tinctures, salves, and teas. High-quality images are included to help you easily identify plants in the wild, ensuring you can confidently use them in your remedies. Additionally, the book provides survival tips, offering practical advice for emergency situations when medical help isn't available. These features make it a comprehensive guide for anyone interested in natural healing. Wondering if this book is right for you? It's perfect for a diverse range of audiences. Preppers and survivalists who want to be self-sufficient will find it invaluable. Home gardeners looking to use their plants medicinally will appreciate the detailed guidance. People seeking natural alternatives to pharmaceuticals will discover a wealth of options. And anyone interested in holistic health and wellness will find it a valuable addition to their library. The benefits of using the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies are numerous. It can help reduce dependence on synthetic medications, offering natural alternatives that are often gentler on the body. By creating your own remedies, you can save money and gain valuable knowledge that can be used for a lifetime. Additionally, the book encourages a deeper connection with nature, helping you understand the healing power of plants. These benefits make it a worthwhile investment for anyone interested in natural health. While the book is packed with valuable information, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Some remedies require time and effort to prepare, which may not be ideal for everyone. Additionally, not all plants may be available in your region, which could limit the applicability of some remedies. The book is also dense with information, which can be overwhelming for beginners. However, with patience and practice, these challenges can be overcome. You can purchase the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies online at an affordable price. It often comes with bonus materials like additional ebooks and videos, so keep an eye out for special offers. These limited-time offers can provide even more value, making it an even more attractive option for those interested in herbal medicine. In conclusion, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is an excellent resource for anyone interested in herbal medicine and natural healing. It provides practical, easy-to-follow solutions that can enhance your health and wellness. If you're ready to take control of your health naturally, this book is worth considering.